Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy from Yupoo with Superbuy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so go ahead and find your Yupoo seller, and also we need to have Superbuy open in another tab. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to choose this one here, this clothing 4A plus. So I'm going to choose these green shorts for this demonstration. So now what we need to do is copy this link. Now go back to Superbuy, and now from here it will say product. Please enter the product link or keyword, paste that in there, and then click search, and then click on accept. If anything comes up, you see your link here, then the name, you need to give this a name. So come back here. So I'm going to call this green shorts, or you can just copy the title here. Actually, I'm just going to copy the title. So copy this. So I'm going to call it that. Now the remark is going to be size M, 3XL, 2507, etc. So I'm going to put that in here. But they do say if the item has several pattern size colors, please specify your need here based on the classification description on the product page. If you buy the same product with a different specs, please separate the order. So this is probably not the best demonstration here, so it's just giving you the size and the code here. So yeah, I'm just going to put that in there, size M, and with the code below that. Now if we scroll down here, we want to go ahead and upload a picture. So to do that, go back to the product. Now we want to go ahead and save this image. So I'm going to save this to my downloads. I'm going to upload it here. Alright, I'm going to save this image. So save, downloads. Come back to Superbuy, upload that image. Then from here, put in your the product price and domestic delivery fee. I'm just putting in 1 for now. Then click on add to cart or buy now. So add to cart, go ahead and view cart. So here it is here. Now once you like the look of this, go ahead and click on submit. Now it's going to take you to the order confirmation. Now we need to make sure to sign in. So if you don't have an account, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on sign in with Google. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. Alright, I'm signed in. Now from here, we've got options under this. So we can get one detail photo, which is one is needed. You can have a model try-on photos, video capture, a bubble, cushioning with wrap packaging. You choose which extras you want added on. Then from here, go ahead and click on I've read the terms and experience small amount advanced payment services. Click submit. Then we need to select the destination country too. So come up to the top here, choose your destination company or country, sorry, and click submit. Agree to the terms again. Now you'll be taken to the checkout after that. So we can use our account balance, or we can do bank transfer, remittance, or we got other online payments, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, PayU, WeChat, and then from there just click submit. So say for example, I use a credit card, so I'm going to click onto that. Now we've got to put our receiver, regions, fill out all of this and click save.